So far, we have found over 4,000 exoplanets. That's a planet orbiting around a star that's not our own sun. We think that there are a whole lot more to find, though. We estimate that there could be as many as an exoplanet for every single star out there. So that works out as about 400 billion exoplanets for just our galaxy. Now, the method that has been the most successful in detecting exoplanets is called the transit method. And it's been the most successful thanks mainly to the work of one telescope, the Kepler Space Telescope. It was in operation for 9.5 years up until October 2018 and is responsible for over 2,000 exoplanet discoveries. But what exactly does the transit method of exoplanet detection entail? Well, it pretty much just involves staring at a star and seeing if we can observe any dips in its light curve. So we're trying to see if there's any point where the light from the star seems to drop. Now, why could that tell us there might be a planet there? Well, as you can see in this really lovely video from NASA, that as an exoplanet orbits around its star, if we are looking at it in just the right way, then it will pass between us and the star, blocking the star's light for a very brief period of time. So the way that the transit method works is we look for these so-called transits. Now, just a single transit doesn't really tell us all that much. It could have just been a piece of debris getting between us and the telescope, or any number of things. However, if we observe a number of transits and they have roughly the same gap between them, then that could mean that we're looking at a planet. While Kepler may no longer be surveying the skies, that doesn't mean our exoplanet search is over. We've got another telescope up there already, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, that is currently searching about 85% of the sky. And with the James Webb Space Telescope slated to launch later this year, the future of exoplanet discovery is certainly looking exciting.